In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI movies with images, Pro Edit. We'll start by creating a compelling image, then turn it into motion using an AI video tool. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. Click the official Gemini site to get started. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your work saves correctly. Inside Gemini, we'll craft a strong visual prompt. Think about subject, setting, lighting, and mood. For this demo, use something like a cinematic, intimate restaurant moment where a couple leans in close under warm, golden lighting, surrounded by soft bokeh and emotional eye contact. Keep your wording clear and visual. Details like warm golden lighting and soft bokeh help the model understand the look you want. Submit the prompt and wait a moment while the image generates. Once you see your image, refine it to make it more compatible with video tools that prefer stylized or non-photorealistic references. Ask Gemini to transform this photo into a realistic painting with prominent paint strokes. This painterly pass adds texture, softens identity-specific features, and often yields smoother results in motion. When you're happy, download the image, save it at the highest available resolution, and give the file a simple name so you can find it quickly. As a best practice, always ensure you have rights to use your inputs and outputs. Now, open your AI video tool. In this workflow, we'll use Sora. Once you're in, click the plus sign to upload the painted image you just downloaded. This reference anchors the motion to your composition, colors, and overall mood. In the prompt box, use your original cinematic description. A cinematic, intimate restaurant moment where a couple leans in close under warm golden lighting, surrounded by soft bokeh and emotional eye contact. Keeping your wording consistent helps the video closely match the image. If your tool offers quality, style, or duration controls, leave them at their defaults for the first pass. You can always iterate later. When everything looks good, click Create Video. Rendering can take a little time, so be patient. Once it's done, play it back to check pacing, lighting, and emotional tone. If the motion feels too busy or not expressive enough, tweak your wording slightly, emphasize gentle, natural movement, or subtle close-up for a calmer feel, or lean into dynamic camera motion for more energy, and run another version. That's it.